But
It's not a dead thing, is it? I think
no,
it is.
I think it is.
Take a
I
picture
heard
of
a
the
bee.
dead thing.
Okay. Let me take a picture of this bee.
Is that from you flinging it into the bushes?
Probably.
Well, stop that. Why
Where
do
do
you
you?
put it in these bushes?
Oh, I don't know. Which bushes do you want me to put it
Now back somewhere.
in? Okay.
Walk it down the street.
Oh, there's the bee. Okay.
That's so
Where's
disgusting.
oh. That is disgusting. Ugh. That's its head at the bottom. Ugh.
Did you take a picture or did you just video
I
it?
just videoed it.
No, take a picture of it.
Okay.
It's disgusting. It's over there, dear.
I'm taking a picture of the bee.